Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. Here is the question for the day. This question is asked by Mr. Nilesh Soni. His question is, MSME is not applicable to traders, but if anyone wants to apply and wants to avail the benefit, then how is it possible? Mr. Nilesh, let me tell you at the outset that all the amendments which are done to the MSME Act as of today, which is 24th of July 2020, it is a very settled question that the new Udyam registration for MSMEs is not applicable to traders of any type, wholesale traders or retail traders. It is just not applicable to them. It is simply applicable to manufacturers and service providers. If you go to government's official website, which is udyamregistration.gov.in, and no other website, there are many misleading unofficial websites. Please do not refer to any of them. Just refer to this one. On the homepage of the website, at the bottom left, if you click, for those already having registration as EM2 or UAM, click that. Now the page that opens, on the bottom you will see a blue color scrolling ribbon that comes on. It says very clearly, activities which are nothing but defined as NIC codes. Activities not covered under MSMED Act 2006 for Udyam registration. It's very clearly defined. And if you click that scrolling ribbon, a notification opens up, and I'm reading the notification. It is a notification dated 17th of July 2020. On the page 2 of notification, on the subject activities, that is NIC codes, not covered under MSMED Act 2006. The new registration that is required, which replaces all other existing registrations, is Udyam registration with effect from 1st of July 2020. And this registration cannot be applied for by a few NIC codes. There is a list of NIC code, that means business activities, which cannot apply for Udyam registration. NIC code number 45, which is wholesale and retail trade and repair of motor vehicles and motorcycles. So if you are a wholesaler and if you are a retailer, NIC 45 is the business activity code applicable to you. You cannot apply for Udyam registration. NIC code 46, which is for wholesale trade, except of motor vehicles and motorcycles. So if you are a wholesaler, then you cannot apply for Udyam registration. NIC code 47, which is retail trade, except of motor vehicles and motorcycles. So if you are a retailer, other than the retailer of motor vehicles and motorcycles, then you cannot apply for Udyam registration. So ladies and gentlemen, this question is very well settled as on 24th of July 2020, the date on which I am making the video. Wholesalers and retailers cannot apply for benefits under Udyam registration. These benefits are only meant for manufacturers as well as service providers. Now, many trade bodies have put up a representation before the government, before the MSME ministry, that trading is also a service. But until now, the government has not accepted that to include in the MSME or Udyam registration, benefits related to Udyam registration. However, if you are simply looking at ECLGC loans post-COVID, then it is again a settled situation that the rupee 3 lakh crore package can be availed of by MSMEs as well as those which are not registered as MSMEs. That means even if you are a trader, even if you are a wholesaler, you can still apply for getting loans under the government's scheme called ECLGS, which was declared post-COVID. So let's not confuse the two things. That's a separate application which you will make to your bankers. And Udyam registration is a separate application which is only applicable for manufacturers and service providers. It is not applicable to wholesale traders or retail traders. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen. See you tomorrow for the next business challenge question. Until then, bye-bye.